Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, as I'm showing you here, I will demonstrate how to replace the laptop fan when it stops working.
So you get this message, you're making a test, and after some time, you have this weird
So if you go
message.
to the website, after scanning this picture of the error, you see this, and you say if you have warranty, and this what is the problem, what you can do, update the BIOS or restart
As
the
you may
PC.
see, it's kind of a process. If you know what to do and how to open it, it shouldn't be very complicated. So first here, the difficulty in this process just to you're gonna need a tool. What I'm using here just to somehow uh, able to disjoin the parts together. And once once you do that with this fine piece of metallic, after you will be able to open completely the laptop. Just make sure that you be gentle and don't put too much power, or you feel that something goes it's not opening. Maybe check again if there's some screws. After you open it, you will see that the fan is there ahead of you, and that's the part we need to replace.
So what we have done here, we have cleaned up. There was a lot of dust there, but after all, the fan was still not working. It seems that the fan ran out or malfunction, and a replacement fan is needed. So we have replacement. You can see this link, and when the new fan arrives, you will see and how to test it. So here we have a replacement fan that we got recently from the post office, and this is the original. Let's compare them. Okay, looks similar to me. So this is the replacement part. That we hope that is working. It's almost identical. So this is the new part. Now we try to see if by replacing the ink we remove this error and the fan problem. So again, so before we let me show that this connects correct this way. Side. Without making a mistake. So this is the correct way. Have to be very, very delicate on this stuff. And we're gonna lightly put the screw, and we have to turn it on before we close the laptop just to make sure that the fan is working. We have to see physically that the fan is working. Maybe the problem is somewhere else. And once we make sure that the fan is working, after we finalize the screwing, and we'll put everything in place. So now we're gonna turn on the laptop and see if the fan is working.
Most of the times you see the fan will not work. Then what you can do is just you need to update the BIOS. Go get the latest drivers and the BIOS definition and update the BIOS. And after you see, the fan will start working. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.